Dr. Hogan here with the Sports Pod, here to show you today the deep hip mobility sequence that we have for you. It's a series of exercises that we're going to run through. I'm going to go ahead and get in position and kind of talk you through what we're doing. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to start in a deep squat. Weight back in the heels, but we want to kind of relax into the squat a little bit, bounce and move around. And we're going to hang out here for a full minute. So we can go side to side. Our next movement, we're going to work through some external rotation. I'm going to start on my right side. So I'm going to take my left hand, grab my right ankle, take my right hand, place it on my knee, and I'm going to lock that arm out, push the knee out wide, and let it come back in. I'm going to do that for a full minute. I'm going to move over to the other side doing the same thing. So I'm going to grab my left ankle with my right hand, left hand on the inside of the knee, pushing that knee out, locking the arm, and back in. A full minute here. Next, we're going to move into some flexion extension. So I'm going to put my fists together, kind of give me a target. I'm going to try and touch my forehead down to my hands while keeping my heels down. Then I'm going to pull the shoulders back, head comes up. I want full spinal extension. Back down. And up. And we're going to spend a full minute here. Our next movement is going to be hip internal rotation. For this one, while doing this movement, if you have any pain or pinching in the front of the hip, don't do this movement. Skip this one. Okay? So I'm going to sit up nice and tall. I'm going to start on my right side. I'm going to rotate and bring my knee down to the floor in front of me. Back up, over to the other side. We're gonna spend a full minute doing this one. If we need to, we can limit the range of motion. Once again, if you have any pinching or pain in the front of the hip, don't do this movement. A full minute here. That is part one of our hip mobility series.